left side of the scheduling calendar in the Stats section, you can view aircraft availability. The white recessed area that the colored bars slide in is fixed at 100 hours. Blue is the number of hours that have been scheduled, including draft flights. And green is the number of hours that are available to be scheduled. If the company's setting for forecasting overage hours is enabled, the number in parentheses are the overage hours and are included in scheduling forecast calculations. Hover over the aircraft to display upcoming maintenance events. The first column under Hours to Maintenance is the total hours remaining until maintenance is due. It is the sum of scheduled and available hours and corresponds to the overall length of the colored bar. The second unscheduled column under Hours to Maintenance corresponds to the green available number for the first inspection and is there so you can know how many hours are available to subsequent inspections. As hours are flown and fewer hours remain until the inspection, the colored bar will shorten. If it's more than 100 hours until the scheduled maintenance, the blue segment of the colored bar will lengthen as hours are scheduled and the green segment will extend to the end. The color bar length won't begin to shorten until there are fewer than 100 hours remaining until maintenance is due. The aircraft will turn red if more hours are scheduled before the next inspection than are available. In this case, maintenance is due in 65 hours and 67.6 hours have been scheduled. If the custom setting for counting unrecorded planned or confirmed flights is enabled, planned or confirmed flights that have not yet been recorded will count toward the maintenance forecast. This is useful for accurate maintenance forecasting when aircraft are overnighting without access to the internet and the pilot can't upload a flight. There will be an additional unrecorded, unflown light blue section at the beginning of the aircraft availability bar. The unrecorded, unflown flights will be included in the hours to maintenance calculations as if they had been flown. Total hours to maintenance is equal to the sum of unrecorded, scheduled, and available hours. In this example, both November PC-12 Alpha and November PC-6 Charlie have unrecorded, unflown, planned or confirmed flights since the last maintenance. Maintenance events are shown on the calendar in red with a wrench icon next to the aircraft number. Maintenance events are also visible on the monthly calendar. Hover over the event to see the details. If an attempt is made to schedule a flight during a maintenance event, or if a flight is already scheduled during a maintenance event in the selected date range, a warning will pop up. If one aircraft is scheduled for 2 flights, the flights will overlap, clearly indicating conflict. If the double booking happened from the schedule detail, when you return to the scheduling calendar, you will also see a warning message at the top. The next video covers crew assignments.